Welcome to Learn's 2-Minute Brochure Design Workshop Series. This 4-part series will show you how to use the AIDA Principle to create print brochures that work. Just what is the AIDA Principle? It refers to the marketing functions of key pages in your print brochure. Here are a few tips to help you create a good cover. First, use a compelling, relatable image and strong contrast. Be sure to have a recognizable brand image, and use a strong slogan or tagline to motivate readers. Highlight some compelling content to seal the deal. Did you know? At least 50% of your response is generated by emotion, so be sure to have a compelling cover that tells your story. Let's summarize 3 main points. 1. Focus on visual, not cognitive communication. 2. Tell a story that will interest your readers. 3. Use well-composed high-contrast images. Here are some examples of well-designed covers. Notice the use of the same template for different terms? Only the images and descriptive words are changed. This cover demonstrates the impact of high-contrast color as well as an image that is hard to resist. Here, we have another great cover. The subject looks pleased, and is looking directly at the reader, an important and effective design strategy. Note also, the strong slogan and highlights of the content inside the brochure. Thank you for attending our 2-minute workshop. Check back soon for the next session. In the meantime, lean on Learn whenever you need a hand. www.learn.org